Welcome back, everyone. I'm Quentin Anderson, and this is Real-Time Talk with Eagle 3D Streaming. Today's guest is Mahdi Hosseini, and his company is ARO Artech, and he is the CEO and co-founder. Mahdi leverages his 12-year experience as an architect and the founder of ARO Artech. ARO Artech is an architectural design company with a deep focus on house design. They have done more than 700 interior and exterior house design projects worldwide, especially in North America. They have used Unreal Engine to provide immersive and realistic visualizations to their clients. Mahdi started his company in 2013 with the help of two friends and always tried to provide the best possible solution and highest quality to his clients. Mahdi, how are you doing today?
Thank you, Quentin. And first, I say hello to your viewers, and actually, thank you for your invitation. That is really appreciated.
So your team is primarily involved in exterior and interior architectural visualization, and you've sort of created a template to make it easy for tours and for customizations of certain finishes.
Exactly.
It would be great if you had anything to maybe share or show a project.
Sure.
That would be awesome, and it always helps us sort of get a better idea of what your team is up to.
This is one of our projects that we are designing. It is one of the room
Nice.
of a project that I told you. As you see, everything you see here is a customized template that for our clients, we tell them we can customize it for you if you want to, for example, the first scene, the first menu as well.
Mm-hmm.
We can customize almost everything you see here. For example, as you see, this is a walk-in closet. We can go inside the elevator with this, go to the next floor. And as you see here, we can actually.
Man, I want an elevator in my closet. Yeah.
Yes, it is a really great house with a lot of functions. It has a lot of more actually.
Wow.
That we do not have it currently.
So in the use case of what you just shared, your team are the architects, and you're providing different design options for someone who's building a house, an apartment, a condo, something like that. Is that?
Yes, exactly. Or maybe you are a big company. You have to design yourself. Us do not need to design it for you, but actually we just create the tool for you to see what's going on.
So when it comes to when you're providing these presentations to customers, how does streaming come into play, or how are you sometimes using streaming as part of your workflow?
Because we are in Dubai, we have about 8 hours difference between North America and usually most of the America. An average 8 hours, some parts 7, 6. But an average 8 hours, we have different in our time zones. So a lot of times we want to go for a meeting and they are not available, or we are not available. So the stream links help us to. They can because it is easy. They are playing games, so they can check the design completely from different angles, and later just send us some screenshot or maybe a screen recorded video and tell us, okay, I want this to be like that. I want that to be like this. So I think it is really great, and it is the future. I'm sure if someone wants to learn an architectural software, for sure they need to go for Unreal Engine for presentation things, because this is the future. In the next few years, I'm sure all the other options will die 100%.
And I come from a 3D background, and I used to render in V-Ray, and it would take 4 hours for one render. Yeah. And
yes, exactly.
And now we can import pretty big data and visualize it in real time, and it makes things so much easier for communication. Mahdi, thank you again for swinging by, and thank you all for watching today's show. I'm Quentin Anderson. This has been Real Time Talk with Eagle 3D Streaming, and we'll see you on the next show.